Delighted scene wise summary. The scene is laid in the dressing room of Lady Sneerwell. She is an expert in speeding baseless scandal about all the fashions able men in their society. Her own reputation was spoiled by some scandals mongers one, and now she is taking her revenge against society. Mr. Snake is her agent for spreading the scandal. Lady Sneerwell enjoy reducing others to the level of her own injur- injured reputation. Sneerwell lives by the badness of the character. Lady Sneerwell wrote false item of news likely to injure the character of people. Snake help the public their news in the society journal. People were so found the scandal then within 24 hours of the connected news spreading in the whole of London society. One of their friends, Mr. Clark, Clarky, is such an expert of scandaling false stories about the other people's character that she had been the cause of six matches being broken off the three sons' disinheritance, for force exploment, and as many close confinement, nine separate maintenance, and two divorce. See, uh, see, Peter Tezel is an elder knight who had married a lady much younger than himself. He has acted as a sort of guardian to two young men after the father's death. The elder of two, Joseph, pretends to be a noble person, but actually he is a villain. The younger one, Charles, is noble at heart by his spent thief and preparedly in debit. Maria is Sir Peter's world. She is a she is a beautiful girl. Her father is dead, but he has left considerable wealth for her. Charles loves Maria and she loves him. Joseph wants to marry her because of her wealth. Lady Sneerwell loves Charles. She wants to prison the relation between Charles and Maria. She wants to show the Charles and Lady Diesel are in love and love each other. She and Snake forgive letters supposed to be from the one to the other. Sir Peter has a very good impression about Joseph, but she is actually the sentimental nephew. Sir Peter wants that Joseph should be married to Maria, but Maria does not like him at all. Joseph's Joseph surface come. Now he informed that Maria does not meet Charles now. They forgave him, convinced her the Charles loved Lady Teazle and Lady Sneerwell. The troubles of Charles are increasing. He has lost his house and all his property. Joseph pretends to be worried about his brother troubles. Maria now comes there. Lady Sneerwell pretends that she has come to meet Joseph, but she says that she has played out of her grandma guardian's house because Benjamin is backbeats who pretend to love her but was really interested to speeding a scandal. Some there came there with her audience, odious uncle Catrice. Catrice Lady Sneerwell says that their people are very witty. Maria replied that their wit is only impressed to Macleek. Mr. Candler, another scandal mangers now comes there. She pretends to be highly moral, but she assistants the character of all her friend and acquaintances. She asked Maria with her it was true that her relation with Charles were completely spoiled. She also asked her whether it is true that Sir Peter and Lady Teazle have not been pulling on will with each other. Maria said that it is impre- important on the part of people to busy themselves with the affairs of other. Mr. Candrio tells of the other scandal she had been told the Miss Gadabout has Alfords with Sir Flight's flight. Mr. Prime has committed the introduction. She was trying to ellipse with her dancing master. Lord Biffeld has divorced his lady at a house of ill fame after reporting their days. She pretends she has hatched to carry tales for the tale bearing are as bad as the tale makes. Joseph presents has her for her good nature. Sir Benjamin backbeats and her uncle now come there. Cerebrius says that his nephew is a petty wit and pretty poet. Benjamin composed poem on the spot. He says that Lai has mostly write, written love poem of Maria. His uncle says that their poem will immortals her like Petrarch's Luria or William Sneercia. They then they enjoy themselves by spreading lies about their friend. Sierra Capital says that Miss Nicely is going to be married to her own footman. He adds there were praising reason for that. In a certain company, somebody said that Miss Peepers Peepers ships had given birth to twins, Lady Dandis G. Dandis. Lady G was Dift asked his Miss Peepers had twins. Everybody laughed, and next day everybody was talking to Miss Pampers twins, and people were even giving imaginary details about the young one. Crabtree asked Joseph whether it is the true that her uncle Sir Oliver Surface is coming back from the East India. He had been away from England for a very long time. Then they make fun of way Charles is entertaining her friends, and Jeff was lend money to him. Maria find their Melson intro rebel and labels. Sir Benjamin and Sir now enjoy describing misfortune of character. He is ultra under everything which belonging to him has been sold. Lady Snareswell wants to marry Charles, so she go to plot further mischief or to spoil the relationship of Charles and Maria. Joseph goes to think of other moral statement to be uh, uttered, uttered on all occasions. Certain comments ये कल पढ़ेंगे 13 मिनट कंप्लीट